guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Notion account. Let's get started. First, let's go to notion.so or notion.com. On the upper right corner, click on the Get Notion Free button. As you can see, we have many options to choose from. But in this video, I'm going to log in using Google. We do have some prompts here that we need to answer to better help Notion in setting up your personalized workspace. Here, click how you want to use Notion, for work, for personal life, or school. In this video, I'm going to choose for personal life. Next, let's answer whether you plan to use Notion with others or just by yourself. And I'm going to choose the with others option. Lastly, you can select what you plan to use Notion for, and we do have a lot of options here. But you can also choose to skip this part. And now you're done. You now have an account in Notion and can start creating pages and using templates. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.